Hello everybody, welcome back to Somerset Andy's channel and welcome back to Froome Parkway. As normal, you already know, thank you everybody that has subscribed to me. I really do appreciate it. You keep me going, you really do keep me going. With the modelling side, everything, you keep me going. You're all fantastic, so thank you all so much for that. So thank you all so much for that. As my MPV goes through that, he's running at the moment. My MPV's out, he's having a run around. Yeah, so what's been going on at Froome Parkway? Well, this is the bargain from Kernow, and they haven't got any left now. I had to pick one up for the price. Oh sorry, there's my 66 going through my Batman one with his lovely Yeoman JHAs on him. So yeah, as he comes through, there we go, look. The DB 67013. And now I was looking at this loco for so long on Kernow, and believe it or not, just £99 for that high detail locomotive. Just £99. And with the price hikes at the moment, when I picked mine up, they had 7 left and they sold them all. Then they had another 4 in stock, and now they haven't even got them listed. I think Hatton's have got one left for £159. So yeah, it was I had to pick one up for the price. And as you can see, I fitted a Bachmann 8-pin decoder in that one, because Kernow at the time didn't have the Hornby one, so I got a Bachmann one, and as you can see, he's running fine with a Bachmann decoder in them. So yeah, that was my little bargain from Kernow. As he comes down here, look. Also, I'm going to show you this. And we'll go in the middle of the board as well when we get 350 running in as well. I do have now, look, I do have the Gauge Master harness for my controller. You can see there, look. Rachel and Sean at Mini with Stassen Junction, the Angel crew. Thank you. I did see on your latest video, I saw you had the holder for so I searched everywhere to get these holders, and I managed to pick a couple up, and I actually got them for, believe it or not, from Amazon for £7 something each. So I've got one there in the front of the board. I've also, when I go in the middle, I fitted one in the middle of the board as well, so when I walk through, if I'm using the controller, I can just pop in there in a safe place, as the trains are still running around. So yeah, I searched high and low. Even Gauge Master themselves didn't have these in stock, and I found them on Amazon, and they arrived. I ordered them yesterday, I ordered 2, and they come today. So yeah, so there you go, look, there's the controller and this harness, look. It's nice and safe. Really does look the business up. It's just tucked away nice and safely in there. Let's see if we can get the 67. There we go, the 67 coming through that. Beautiful loco from Hornby. But for £99 I had to pick one up because we know the prices now have gone up so much, haven't they? They've all gone up so much. You can see there that the 159 is stabled. The Voyager's still there. That's the 66 bottles through. And the MPV's going round. So what I will do, I will come back and get in the middle of the board. And we will see them, and I will get 350 running in as well. So I'm going to have to stop the MPV. Just see the 67 bottle through again. There we go, look. In it just, people, in it just. Beautiful loco. Quiet, beautiful, heavy, really heavy loco. Okay, I will be back in the middle of the board in a minute. I will see you all in a minute. So I will say bye for now. Hello everyone, I'm back. Yeah, the 350 is now running at 350s popping around. Yeah, so the lovely Batman 66 is putting me JHAs around. Those JHAs, they are extremely heavy wagons from Daypal. They were probably my wagons of the year last year I bought. And when I got the coal loads, the stone loads from, and they're weighty as well, it adds to it. Superb. Absolutely superb. So yeah, as the 350 goes through, look at that, in it people, in it just. It's ding dong, carry on, as Leslie Phillips would say. There you go, there is the bargain from Kernow. I was going to do a video when I got him to let you all know what that deal was on. But then when I ordered mine, the next day they completely sold out of them. And again, I think it's because of the amazing price, because you're talking high detail Hornby. So yeah, unfortunately they all went. So yeah, there we go, look, there's the castle over there, and as you can see there, look, that's the other Gaze Master harness I've put there, look. So my controller, when I'm in the middle of the board, you can probably see the lead down there. So I've got the 2 meter extension lead for it. It's really strange because I know I can use it on Wi-Fi, so I've got the Wi-Fi link, but I still prefer to actually use the main control unit. I don't know why, it's a damn sun, but yeah, I still prefer to actually use the main control. So I love the main control unit with the Prodigy Express setup. I just think it's fantastic. And as you can see, it runs all my trains absolutely perfect. 37s there. The 47's gone over there. The depot area is a little bit quiet at the moment because I have been moving a few locos around recently. Oh, look at that 66 and it just people. Look at that with those JHAs. I get, it's a good question for you. I think it's when tracks get dirty, when the tracks get a bit grimy, I can be running the trains around absolutely fine. And now and again, for some reason, their lights will go out. So I have to press the button to put the lights back on. Now, I think it's down to dirty rails. When the rails get dirty, like the track gets dirty, and then give the tracks a clean over, and it all seems to be absolutely fine. Have a scene down here, look. Oh, that 67, honestly, it was such a bargain. Then, as we know, Hornby have hiked their prices up so much. So yeah, it's I just had to pick one up for my 67 collection because I do love the Class 67s. I gotta be honest, I do think they're amazing locomotives. As the 350 pottles through, I'd like to say on this video as well, a big thank you to Steve and Jane at Hobby Goblin Model Shop. Do check out Hobby Goblin Model Shop. Steve phoned me today about an order, and they're great people, they're really nice to chat to. So yeah, a big thank you to Steve and Jane at Hobby Goblin. Really appreciate your phone call today, like, you know, just brilliant. Brilliant. Oh, bit of the fast show there, oops. Brilliant. I haven't said that for a while, have I? Brilliant. So yeah, on that note, I think we might call it with this video. Basically now I will start getting some more scenery work done on the layout. Obviously, as we all know, a layout's never finished, but I'll get some more scenery sorted out on the layout, see what I can do with that. But yeah, very happy today that I've got me Gauge Master cradles, which you can see that one there, look. So the controller is not just on the floor, it's in a cradle, or it's not on a chair, it's in a cradle, so it's nice and safe. Because as we all know, you were talking a lot of money for those things. They ain't cheap. They ain't cheap, are they? But I love the control system. I went from Hornby to Gauge Master with a Prodigy. Between the two controllers, I had the Hornby Select, and then I went to the Gauge Master, and no comparison whatsoever. The Prodigy Gauge Master, you can change CV codes, everything with it so easily. Fantastic controller, highly recommend those controllers, I would. So yeah, we'll finish this video now. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for following me. Let's just have a little look down here a minute. I'll just show you the signs are all on the wall still, look. All the signs are up there. All see there, all the signs, look. All the signs are on the wall up there. So yeah, on that note, I will say bye from Somerset Andy and bye from Froome Parkway. You all stay safe and take care. Bye from Somerset Andy and Little Jockey. Bye for now. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.